Hi everyone, hopefully everyone's having a good weekend. For content's sake, I'm just going to show you how to make the running rig. So you'll need a sinker, a barrel swivel, a snap swivel, and some already made trace lines. All like that, some skirts or floats, it's up to you wherever you are. And obviously your line and that's, but I've just tied this is your main line, this is your main line. So straight onto that, you're going to put your snap swivel. Oh, and sorry, you'll need a little soft bead, any bead, but yeah, soft bead's probably better. Here it is. You put that straight on after your snap swivel. Tie that off with the barrel swivel. Tie it off with the barrel swivel at the end here. So that's the running rig there pretty much, whānau, from your main line. That's it there. Trim your tag ends if you have any. Put your sinker onto your snap swivel. And yeah, that's why it's called a running rig, because the sinker runs, it's free to run. And you should have already pre-made traces made up. I usually have a couple of all sorts: skirts, floats, lumo and beads and floats. This one is good for like kahawai if you need kahawai bait personally. But yeah, you've got them made up, you just snap it straight onto your swivel. And there you have it, whānau, main line. And the main line. That's what it should look like when you're casting. And yeah, that's what it does. You can obviously swap these off if you need. And yeah, cheer whānau.